Hi guys, this is Harismita Rajkumar. Today we'll be seeing logical reasoning part 2 video of level 2 difficulty. We have already put in our YouTube channel level 1 difficulty, which is a beginner friendly video of logical reasoning. Then level 2 difficulty, which is an intermediate level, moderate level difficulty part 1. This is the continuation of it, which is part 2, that is part 2 of your logical reasoning questions. So friends, if you haven't seen those videos, kindly go check it out, because while preparing your examinations you have to start from scratch. So these are mainly asked in your aptitude questions and even in your mostly in your placement and in some of your aptitude questions. So I have mixed everything, I have taken it, so kindly check it out. Now let's go to the first question. The first question is that, right? The first question is analogy question. Okay, so what is analogy and everything, I'll make a separate video of it, a lecture video. So now we are a number system. After completing it, gradually we'll go to the next topics. Petal, flower, right? So petal is a part of a flower, so we have to find from options which is part of which one. That is your option. Okay, petal is a part of flower. Is salt a part of pepper? No. Is tire part of bicycle? Definitely yes. So tire is a part of bicycle. Let's go to the next options. Base, is it a part of ball? No. Sandals, is it a part of shoes? No. Puppy, is it a part of what is it a part of dog? No. So your option, only one option you're having here, that is tire. Yes, it is a part of bicycle, so that is your right option. Now let's go to the next one. So they have given you an alphabetical series. They asked you to complete the options. So let me write the numbers, right? So first letters, I'll just first write it. F, G, H and I. So alphabetical, like alphabets, they have given a series, right? In that I'm just taking the first letters of it. So F, G, H, I. Okay. And now let me take the second letters of it. Right? So this is your first series, second alphabet, third alphabets, fourth, fifth. Fifth is what they asked. So middle, everything is A. So definitely this will also be A. That you have, that you're sure. So let me have 6 here. This should also be A. Okay. Now look at the next one. Third letters, third alphabet of the series. G, F, I, H. F, I, H. So this is what they asked. So when you look at the pattern, so here it is just the first letters are in alphabetical order. F, G, H, I, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J. So this is J. And what is next? K. I'll let you know why I'm finding the next one also. Now the second series, first letter will go to the third letter. Okay, now here then it will just get altered like wise. So this I will go here and this H will come down. Likewise this K will go here. So the answer for the fifth series is nothing but JAK. So I hope you are clear. JAK is your right answer. Now let's go to the next one. So this is your number series and they asked to find the next one. So let me write your number series, which is 80, 10, 70, 15, 60 and the next number. Okay. Let me see how it is decreasing or how it is increasing. So this is minus 70. Only 80 minus 70 gives you 10. Then 10 plus 60 gives you 70. Then 70, what happens to it? 70 minus 55. Then this is 15 plus 45. Okay. Only 15 plus 45 gives you 60. Likewise, 70 minus 55 gives you 15. Now, what operation should I do? What operation should I do for going to the next one? Okay. So if I get the operation, I'll get the number of it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to term all my negatives. So this is minus 70, minus 15. How it is happening? So this to this, 70 to 55. How it is doing? It is reduced by 15. right? It is reduced by 15. Likewise, from 60 to 45, if I see, again it is reduced by 15. So definitely after this, which operation should come? A negative operation. So it will be negative, but the number for this is from 55, I have to reduce 15 to get my number. So when I reduce 55 and 15, I'll get 40. So I have to reduce 40 to get the operation. What I should do is from 60, I have to reduce 40 to get my number. So my number is 60 minus 40. My number, this number is 20. So this is my number. I hope you're clear with the questions and everything is perfectly clear. I hope it is clear. Now, let's go to the next one. So next one is nothing but CMM and EOO, GQQ, then comes something and KUU. So let me write everything and let me put a dash for this. This is CMM. Okay. Now, after C, it goes to EOO. Okay. So when I write the alphabet, it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Okay. So from C, it goes to E. So it skips one letter and goes to the next letter. Likewise, it goes to G. Again, it skips one letter and goes to the next letter. Okay. Then what happened? It goes to I. It should go to I, but we don't have any. We are just putting dash for finding the number. It should be I. After I, it will skip and it will go to K. So K you found. So you found this series, the first letter series. I hope you found the first letter series. It is skipping one letter and going to the next letter. It is skipping one letter and going to the next letter. So the number here, the letter here, it should be I is your letter here. Since you're skipping H and going to I. Now, what is the next one? M, then it goes to O. So it is in M, then it goes to O. Then it goes to Q. Likewise, it also skips. So it is skipping N, it is skipping P, right? So this is Q here. Then if it skips R, it should go to S. So it will be double S here. So your series here will be ISS. So this is what they asked. So this is your answer for your question. Okay. So now let us go to the next question. So where you are, again you have to find the series. So look at the series pattern, which is nothing but 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, 27. So this is your number, right? So when you do it, you don't have any change here. Okay. Let me write plus 0. And what is happening here? It is subtracting 13. Okay. Then again, no change here, plus 0. Then what is happening here? Subtracting 13. Then again, no 0. Then what is next? You have to subtract 13. So look at the pattern. 0, 13, minus 13, plus 0, minus 13, plus 0. And it should be minus 13. What is 27 minus 13? Which is nothing but 14. So 14 is your right answer. So I hope you understood everything which I've taught you. And if you have any doubts in this, kindly comment below. And if you want like this kind of videos, kindly comment below which kind of videos you want, so that I will definitely put videos on it. Thank you.